Good day. My name is Muhammad Haikal Shahmi from Group 5, and I will talk about the design process for our prototype. As stated, our group has chosen a screwdriver with an extended shank as a prototype. The reason for this choice is for the ease of fabrication, where we will limit the techniques used to forging and sand casting. The improvements implemented into the screwdriver is as follows. The ability to safely separate the screwdriver shank from the handle for easier storage and maintenance. The ability to reach into secluded areas through the use of an extended shank. And the ability to have a stronger grip on the handle by adding multiple flat surfaces to the handle. In the initial design, following our principle of ease of fabrication, we decided to go with the simpler flathead screwdriver design. In this see-through drawing, you can see the shank slot with a depth of 4 cm from which the shank is connected to the handle. The shape and size of this prototype screwdriver handle is designed to sit comfortably in human hands and to allow for maximum control and torque. This design includes the addition of a twist zone, where the user's thumb can apply axial force for quick turning of the screwdriver. The cylindrical shape of the handle provides all fingers with maximum contact area that will help save energy and lower fatigue while working. The spherical handle end helps to reliably center the screwdriver in the palm of the hand and for applying high torque. Many screwdriver handles are not smooth and often not round, but have flat surfaces or other irregularities which help improve grip and to prevent the tool from rolling. In this second iteration, flat surfaces has been added to counteract the smooth finish of the thermoplastics handle, thereby increasing friction between the handle and the hands. The twist zone has also been smoothed out to give a more comfortable resting position for the thumb. This is a view of the second design from the side, where the new twist zone can more easily be seen. The top view. From the front and rear view, we can see that the second design makes use of a square-shaped grip. In the third design, the square-shaped grip is abandoned for a more octagonal design. This change is made in an attempt to find a balance between increasing user comfort without compromising on the improved grip. This change is also applied to the shank for a more snug fit into the shank slot and thus improving the strength of the handle shank connection. The third design's top view, rear view, where the octagonal handle is more visible. We can see that the original spherical handle is kept as is. The third iteration is chosen to be the final design of the prototype. When assembled, this screwdriver has a full length of 22 cm and a handle width of 3 cm. Here is a full list of dimensions used for the screwdriver. That's all for now. Thank you for listening.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saidin Zahid bin Mason. Today I will explain to you about material selection and application or its usage for our projects. First, material selection. In this section, we choose two different materials in this project as main material to each part of our screwdriver. The two materials are plastic and metal. We choose plastic because of its durable, flexible, cheap, and because it's light. And then we choose metal because of its hardness, durable, long-lasting, and known with its rust resistant for advanced class of metal. Finally, the application or usage of this metal to our product. We apply plastic to our screwdriver to make the handle more durable. Because of its handle was hard to make, with plastic, we can reduce our budget and time. Beside that, we choose the plastic as safety precautions to our user because of, because of its good resistance to electric charge. Lastly, we apply the metal to make the blade hard to break. With the metal hardness, it's easy to make it longer without breaking our blade. And then, with the new technology that our engineer discovered, we now have metal with great rust resistance, such as carbon alloy and aluminum, to make our screwdriver last longer than older screwdriver.
Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Nama saya Nufana dan saya akan terangkan tentang penghasilan production phase untuk produk screwdriver. Okey, screwdriver ni bagi bahagian fabrication dan manufacturing process terbagi pada 3 komponen iaitu tip, shank dan juga handle. Tip ni kami menggunakan proses seperti fork bits method untuk menghasilkan dia punya bahagian depan flathead tu, termasuk juga dalam kaedah turning dan juga milling. Okey, seterusnya adalah shank. Shank ni dia punya panjang untuk screwdriver tu, dan shank ni kami gunakan material seperti stainless steel untuk produk tersebut lah, untuk bahagian tersebut lah. Ianya akan undergo heat treatment untuk mendapatkan hasil tensile strength in the metal yang berkualiti baik, yang sesuai untuk yang tahan lama. Seterusnya adalah handle. Handle ni kami menggunakan proses seperti injection mold plastik yang sesuai, di mana untuk menghasilkan bentuk untuk pemegang yang sesuai untuk screwdriver. Jadi dua bahagian ni dia punya blade dan juga handle akan digabungkan sekaligus. Seterusnya dalam production phase, of course kita kena tengok secara precise tentang large mass production untuk production. Jadi ada tiga perkara yang perlu diambil kira. Antaranya adalah seperti speed, highly reliable dan cost efficient process. Okay, speed ni ini bergantung pada mesin ataupun hasil kuantiti kerja yang kita gunakan. Berapa banyak kuantiti yang kami boleh hasilkan, mungkin dalam 1000 unit dalam masa satu hari. Seperti contoh. Seterusnya highly reliable. Dalam kata lain, maksudnya daripada segi material yang kami pilih lah, di mana sudah diterangkan secara lebih detail di dalam report. Seterusnya adalah cost efficient process. Cost efficient process ni di dalam penghasilan production ni mungkin akan terdapat mungkin dalam lebih kurang 0.01% yang hasil production yang mungkin ada defect ataupun tidak boleh diguna pakai. Jadi untuk penghasilan production phase, perkara-perkara ini perlulah diambil kira dan terdapat beberapa fasa yang perlu dilalui sebelum menghasilkan produk yang sesuai untuk dipasarkan dan untuk dihasilkan dalam perkilangan. Okey, sekian sahaja daripada saya. Terima kasih.
Assalamualaikum and good evening to everyone. Today I'll be talking about fabrication for prototyping phase for our screwdriver. Okay, for prototyping, first thing we will redesign the screwdriver according to our fabrication. In this case, we want to make the length of shank even longer, so we will design the new screwdriver in AutoCAD. After done the designing, we will create a 3D model using 3D printing. This is to check whether the design and the dimension is suitable to use or not. After find some error and adjustment, we will adjust the design in AutoCAD according to the adjustment that we need to done. After finalizing the design, we will start to select the material. We will select the suitable material. This is important because material we choose can be used without causing any problem when we using our screwdriver. And then we will start to create a real prototype by using the material. For this screwdriver, we will be using plastic for our handle of the screwdriver, and we will be using metal for our shank and the tip of the screwdriver. Okay, the process of making our prototype model. Different material has a different way to make the product. Okay, for metal, we use drawing machine and cold forming machine. By a metal wire is drawn into a drawing machine with selected die, and then it went to a string forge to make the drawn wire straight. And then it went to a cold forming and cold cutting process where the wire will be cut into our selected length and press the tip of the wire to selected design for the tip of the screwdriver. And then we go to the plastic. Plastic use injection molding method, where plastic is heated to highly state until the plastic melt, and then it was forced to flow through under high pressure into a mold cavity that represent the design of our handle, and then is solidified inside the mold cavity, and then the handle is done. To combine these two material, we use hydraulic press. This will help the metal shank and the tip to be pressed with the handle by hydraulic press. And in the handle, in the middle there will be a hollow gap for our shank to insert. That's all from me. Thank you.